In this video, we'll dive into how to use SuiteDash to track client deliverables effectively. If you're looking for a quick solution to stay on top of your client projects, this will help you maximize your workflow and keep everything on track. First, let's start with the dashboard. When you log into SuiteDash, you're greeted with a customizable dashboard. Here, you can quickly see all the important deliverables, tasks, and projects. This is your central hub, so customizing it to show the things you care about most will save you time and ensure you never miss a beat. SuiteDash offers a lot of flexibility here, so make sure to adjust widgets based on your needs, whether that's upcoming deadlines or key project statuses. Next thing, let's talk about project creation. Tracking client deliverables starts with creating projects. With SuiteDash, you can set up projects for each client or deliverable. What's great about SuiteDash is the way it breaks down each project into tasks, milestones, and deadlines. You can assign tasks to specific team members, ensuring accountability and visibility across the board. You can even set priorities so you'll know which deliverables need your attention first. It's all about making sure nothing slips through the cracks. The third thing is using the task management features. SuiteDash's task management allows you to track every single action step toward completing client deliverables. You can set due dates, add notes, and attach relevant files to ensure everyone has what they need to move forward. One thing to note here is that the task view can get a bit cluttered if you're managing multiple projects at once, so organizing by client or project category is key to avoiding confusion. Next, SuiteDash integrates with your calendar, which is a game changer. By syncing with Google Calendar or your internal calendar system, SuiteDash lets you see deadlines and deliverables right alongside your regular appointments. This feature is particularly useful for those working on multiple client projects at the same time. You won't need to juggle between platforms to know when something is due. The fifth thing to mention is the automation SuiteDash provides. You can automate reminders for deliverables, invoicing, and even client communications. While automations are helpful, I found that some features, like custom workflows, could use a bit more flexibility. They work well for simpler needs, but might be limiting for larger, more complex projects. Finally, let's discuss reporting. SuiteDash has solid reporting capabilities that allow you to track the progress of deliverables and generate reports for clients. However, the reporting tools could be more intuitive, and it might take some time to get used to how data is pulled and displayed. Still, it's great to have everything in one place to keep track of deadlines, deliverables, and billing. Now, here's the thing. While SuiteDash offers a lot of useful features for tracking client deliverables, there are other platforms out there that may better suit your needs, especially if you're looking for a simpler, more intuitive experience. For example, platforms like Asana or ClickUp offer smoother user interfaces for task tracking and deliverables, with better integrations across the board. Plus, both of them have free trials that you can explore, and they may be better for those of you who don't need as many bells and whistles as SuiteDash. To wrap up, if you're interested in SuiteDash, make sure to check out the exclusive and extended free trial through our link. This gives you full access to everything SuiteDash offers, plus some additional perks just for our viewers. But if you're looking for alternatives that might be a better fit for managing client deliverables, don't miss out on the amazing options we've highlighted with their own free trials. Check the links in the description to explore your best options and get the most out of your client management experience.